Oh, sa mga bago, nag-promise na ba kayo? Promise?
Leaders sila.
Promise ha? Okay, promise. Okay. O, huwag niyo ako sumbong sa mga apply niyo, ha? Okay, next. Okay. Pakibasa?
Maganda ng pusis. Ang tinigil.
Okay na sana eh. Okay na sana, dinagdagan ng huling linya. Tama? Okay, this is the bigger problem. And this is the reason why Reway does not allow posting of products, formulation, company, or Pure Tier itself in any social media, YouTube, or personal website. Kasi what you say may not necessarily reflect that of the company. Hindi mo nare-represent ang marketing platform ng Reway International. Following kung bakit hindi pwede? Yes. Okay. Kasi may nagpo-post tapos sinusuway ng compliance and then nagagalit. Pero try to understand it from the corporate point of view. Sila yung mape-penalize ng FDA. Tama? Okay. So we do not oversell it. Pure Tier is not an absolute cure. But if you really want to quantify, do your baseline data. Have a before and after. Para makita mo kung may progressive recovery. But you do not market it as such. Free side yan. Following? Okay. Next. Okay. So this is from the Department of Health of... Not Brunei. Middle East.
Yes, Dubai.
Maganda kapag may Dubai na.
Okay, here's
This is
UAE, okay? United Arab Emirates.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here's the problem.
UAE Department of...
Here's the problem. There were some distributors who were personally hand-carrying Pure Tier to the UAE to sell to personal clients. When a person starts detoxifying and it starts showing signs and symptoms of healing